In this video, I will tell you how to switch your TikTok personal account to a pro account, to a creator account, or to a business account. If you have a pro account, there are a lot of benefits. You can see when most of your followers are active, so you can post a video on that time. You can see which video is going on trending, which video is on for you, so you can make same or familiar content. And the biggest benefit is if you're a content creator and you are making longer videos, this is a very good option to go for, because in creator or pro account you guys can upload up to 3-minute long videos, so it's very good for you to have if you're making longer videos. So before wasting your time, let me just show you how to do it. Open up the TikTok, go to Me tab. After that, click on the 3 dots which are on the top right corner. Then click on manage account, and in account controls there will be an option which is saying switch to pro account. Click on switch to pro account and it will open up a new tab which says creator account or business account. Now what is creator? Creator is like basically all the content creators, musicians, dancers, and all the people like that are the creators. They are the content creators. They are the bloggers, vloggers, and all that. And in business is like you are having your own brand, you are having something which you want to advertise, then you need to go for business. So it's up to you, what do you want to do on that. Basically most of the people are going for the creator account. So when you click on creator account, it will ask you the category. I am a blogger, so I will click on personal blog. You guys can choose whatever you want to be, and after that you guys need to select your gender, male, female, or whatever you are, and done. So now you have a creator account. You guys can see your analytics. You guys can see all the stuff like how much followers you got today, how much videos in last 7 days you uploaded, then how much videos are on trending in for you. This is very good option, by the way. And then you guys can track your followers as well, like how much female and male ratio is that, and then you guys can see that on which time most of your followers are active. I always track my followers, like when are they gonna be online. So before that, like 1 or 2 hours, I'll upload my videos, so when they will come, it will be in front of them. So this is how I keep producing my content. You guys can check my ID as well. I'm gonna mention it here. And thanks a lot.